Hi! I am a little over a month from graduating from film school. Make some noise. And I decided to pick up the camera this week and just do a cute little week in my life vlog. I have a series on my channel called the Film School Diaries. This week I actually have some stuff going on that I figure why not vlog it, because the next few weeks are gonna be kind of chill until we get into like graduation territory where more things are happening. Like I said, this week is just kind of a variety of things going on, so we'll see. I went into my calendar last night to go ahead and put in everything that I need to do this week, and honestly, looking at it in the calendar, it definitely doesn't look like a lot. I'm just gonna switch some things around. This marketing class is no longer happening on Thursday. We moved it up to Tuesday and it's gonna be at 2:45. This week I'm also filling in for one of the first year's D2 projects. I'll be filling in as second AD, so I have to be on set this weekend and then also doing like a lot of their pre-production stuff this week. I had to go and put it in my calendar because it's like I don't know anything about their schedule. Deliveries due Friday evening. I have my EQ checkout, that's still the same. And then Wednesday I have a tech scout, which typically goes until 12, but I have my launch class at 11, so I'll probably just go for the first half to see the first location. Then in the evening I have a Zoom class. And then on Thursday I don't really have too much going on, luckily, but I do have the production meeting, and naturally things are probably going to come up. That's film school, things just come up. Things just love to come up. Yeah, that's what I have to get into this week. It's just a bunch of meetings and keeping track of some homework stuff. But yeah. The first year class under me is in their summer session doing their second project while they're here. However, they had some issues, so they needed somebody to fill in, and usually the hierarchy of how that goes is that they find an on-call person from their class. Once nobody's there, they call in somebody from the class above. Right now, I'm getting ready for our tech scout. The tech scout is when the faculty come together to go to the locations that we're gonna be filming at. Just talk out the plan, what direction the story's going in, the blocking, things like that. The tech scout is at 9:45, but I'm gonna leave pretty soon because it's already 9:10. But I do need to get there before 9:45 because I have to check in the crew members that are coming in. They booked me to fill in for this role because they thought I had nothing on my schedule, and then they ended up having a bunch of classes for us for the summer. So I'm kind of juggling pre-production and production for this show while also balancing my classes. I'll have to leave in the middle of a tech scout to book it to class. The location isn't that far, so that's a good thing. So I actually won't be like rushing too much. I need to leave like right now. My laptop, I'm also using this Rome tote bag, notebook, sunglasses, my headphones. Just finished with the tech scout. Well, I finished with the tech scout. They're still there. I am now heading to class. It's like 10:40, and it's gonna take me like 15 minutes to get to class, not including parking and then walking. I found out a lot of information about the shoot that I didn't know beforehand. We're working with a child actor, and he's gonna be 12 years old, so we have to follow child labor laws. And I know where we're gonna set up crafty, where we're gonna do staging. For the most part, I know where the trucks are gonna go. I got a lot out of the tech scout that I'm gonna need to prepare the documents and obviously for the day of. So I think after class I'll work on the call sheet.
Talk about stuff and talk about what it's like on the ground right now.
Oh, this is bigger than I thought it was. Like, mind you, this is the second time I've been to this place. So I'm gonna throw it in a pot and reheat it. Oh.
I've seen a lot, been through a lot. I've been through pretty much every up and down you can go through in this business.
I am a producing specialist here at the film school.
Thank goodness. Thank you. I'm glad there's one of you.
Gotcha.
Rehearsal call time, initially 2. I was gonna say for Regina, she can come at like 9 as well.
Okay.
So like everybody can kind of like prep up like the VT stage and.
Caleb would be
Yeah.
ready on set by 10 a.m.
And the company movies at like 2. And
Well, it would be at 3 because right now on the setup schedule, it would be at the end of lunch. I got a strawberry dragon fruit refresher. Now I desperately need hand sanitizer. I need a whole lot.
So I'm set up in my little office space. I finished the preliminary call sheet. Now I'm gonna work on the DPR, which is essentially a report that's generated at the end of a set, detailing everything that happened and like what we were able to film, what we have left to film. But yeah, I'm just here doing my job.
It is now 3:20 and we're on our company move. And if you don't know, a company move is when, self-explanatory, the company moves from one location to the next. I made sure everybody kept their walkies because it was just gonna take more time for me to collect them.
So Jack. Yes, sir. They are about 9 minutes away.
Looks like yours, Caleb. So chaos. We can't allow that.
Do not touch my son.